Seeing through affiliate program hype? Have you ever wondered what is the right information about any affiliate program? Do you often wonder how to look deep into the facts of any affiliate programs? Have you found yourself frequently thinking about the process of getting the right affiliate marketing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about seeing through affiliate program hype. Now let's get into it. Cutting through the information and finding the right program for you. One of the fastest growing trends to making money on the internet is the affiliate web-based business. Affiliate programs are everywhere, and if you've been reading your spam offers, you have probably received countless invitations to join various programs. Affiliate network internet marketing offers a reliable and fast way to set up a business to make money on the internet. Each program comes with its own website, product or service, commission plan, and advertising aids. If you have been looking for a web-based business to make money on the internet from home, affiliate marketing plans have exactly what you need to get you started. Choosing the right one for you may not be so simple. Your inbox has been jam-packed with offers to join countless affiliate marketing programs, and you are certain you want to explore this option, but narrowing out the top choices may seem daunting. One of the best ways to figure out which program will help you make money on the internet is to ask questions, a lot of questions, to help you decide which program is designed for you. With so many to choose from, there's bound to be one that fits your criteria. Research is a vital part of making decisions when it comes to internet marketing. No matter how good a program might look, making money on the internet can be more effective with just a few key concepts in place. Never jump at the first opportunity promising big profits without effort or guaranteed results. Learn to ask the appropriate questions so that you can make the most of this growing internet trend. Knowing what questions to ask. Having a basic list of questions when investigating affiliate network marketing programs will help you narrow down the list of options quickly. Your goal is to make money on the internet, and the right set of questions will help you save time and money when making your final decision. Start with the basics. How much does the program cost to join? There are numerous affiliate network marketing programs out there that are free to join. Some are free to join, but require you to upgrade before you can receive a commission check. Remember that affiliate programs are commission-based businesses. There are some programs that require a membership fee right from the start, sometimes even before they tell you what their product or service is. Do you really want to spend money just to find out that the program isn't right for you? Not all free programs are worth your time and energy. Some of them have commissions so low that reaching a basic level of the commission would require a ridiculous number of sales. The company makes money, but you don't. Understand the commission structure prior to committing. Making money on the internet is possible, but you have to be able to access your money in a time frame that is right for you. There are affiliate programs that require a minimum dollar amount before sending out a check. Some companies pay their affiliates bi-weekly, monthly, or quarterly. It can be frustrating to need a little cash and see it sitting completely out of your hands for another month or so. Most people choose programs with a faster turnaround time than quarterly. A few programs are starting to pay their affiliates weekly, but they are fairly rare. Do a little math. Affiliate programs offer varying ranges of commission, starting at very small and working their way up to quite handsome sums of money. Some pay for only the sales you produce, while others pay for a couple of tiers below you. Since you are interested in making money on the internet, it would make sense to go with the programs that offer the most methods of making that money. Tier programs offer you several streams of income and can be the most productive for your time and money. Check the stats. How many hits does the average affiliate site need in order to produce a sale? If the product or service is high quality, the ratio will be fairly low. If the product or service is overpriced or useless, the ratio will be quite high. Just because an affiliate program offers better commissions doesn't automatically mean you will be making more money on the internet. It is more reasonable for the average family to spend $29.95 than it is for them to come up with a spare $1,000. Reasonable costs for a good product or service will result in more sales. Some affiliate programs pay for hits and leads as well as actual sales. If someone pops onto your affiliate site and fills out their contact information but doesn't make a purchase, some programs will pay for that. Again, if a program is offering multiple methods of making money on the internet, they are ahead of the pack. Expect out-of-pocket expenses. No matter what program you are planning on joining, there will be marketing expenses. Factor those expenses into your monthly budget. Does the company provide assistance, or are you just out there by yourself playing in the dark? Any program that promises no out-of-pocket expenses isn't interested in your success, nor has honesty as a priority. It is impossible to market a web-based business without some form of advertising. Do you have to purchase the product or service for yourself in order to qualify for commissions? If so, proceed with caution. You should not have to purchase anything outside of your advertising and your affiliate fee, if you so choose. Investigate the product or service. Every affiliate program is marketing some sort of product or service. They have to, otherwise, it's a pyramid scheme and it's illegal. Thoroughly understand the product or service and make sure it's something you feel good about marketing. Making money on the internet is easier to do it if you feel good about what you are promoting. A web-based business is exactly that, a business that uses the internet for promotion and sales. Just like any other home-based business, there are good ones and there are bad ones. Do your homework when making the decision to be a part of an affiliate-based program. Whether you have already decided on which affiliate network marketing program you are going to use to make money on the internet, or you are still looking for more answers to your questions, there is a place where you can go to receive more help than you will from any actual program out there. Affiliate Pit website has a large range of topics and information, links, and advice to help get you started. Beyond that, they can help keep you going along the way. Affiliate network internet marketing has its pitfalls to go right along with all its benefits. Unbiased information is always the best, and finding more secrets to making money on the internet is just a few clicks away. This is a phenomenal website that will literally take you by the hand through the decision-making process as well as the profit process to help you make the most of your money-making internet experience. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about seeing through affiliate program hype. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.